Family, friends, fellow gamers, educators, students, and parents. Welcome to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I am Grumpy Gnome. Let's see if we can get into this Baldur's Gate adventure. And cha-ching, oh my gosh, we are in single player, load game. We're in Shipwreck. Here we go. Boom. All right. Well, I think we just took out, was it Ion, whatever his name is, and Billy and Drebin. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and finish clearing this area.
You right.
And yeah, that's what I want. And we want, oh my, we got to heal this dude. And you got your ranged weapon. That's good. Let's take this guy out. And come on. Take him down. Take him down. Ah, you guys cannot take anybody down because you don't know how to. Okay, I don't know what he's saying, but he said something. Oh, are you serious? We cannot take this guy down? Come on, people. Take this guy down. There we go.
Spit it out.
Oh, man. Didn't think that guy was ever going to fall. All right, everybody.
You right.
I want to find the surgeon. And I think he's more into this area over here. And, of course, we're going right back where those ogre things are. Come on, Wolfgang, catch up with us. Wolfgang. Come on, buddy. Where are you? Are you here with us? No, you're not. Come on. There he comes. Do. Wait for me. I don't want to go too far to the south because they're nuts. And of course, that just attracted everybody and their mother.
Go off it.
Here we go.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Spit it out.
Let's take this dude out first. Okay, perfect. Now let's cut him off. And you know, you can back up just a little bit. Because the last thing we want to do is get you into combat.
All will die.
The reason I'm not healing Wolfgang is because the surgeon will heal him. I don't want to go too far south because there are sirens down here. Sirens, however you want to pronounce it. And I think that's about as far to the southwest as I want to go. Let's come back up here. And we're going to cut in this direction. And you know what? We could probably cut the corner here just to get some more of the fog of war released. And let's just come all the way out to here. Maybe come down a little bit. Once again, I don't want to... And that's a ghoul, but oh my god, he is far south.
Go off.
I think I'm going to let him come up to us.
What could I do to help?
Because otherwise, we're risking getting the...
You'll not get far.
Okay. Yep, there you go. And you know what?
You right.
Let's clear the north. We're going to go north first and clear this area. That way we can, everything that we need to do in the south. Does this? Oh my gosh. That is the surgeon with all of his potions. I don't know how he died. I wonder if we took him out with a fireball. Oh, that blows. that totally blows.
Go off then.
Because I think we lost some experience with that also.
What concerns you?
Yeah, well, knowing that now, we're going to go ahead and heal our peeps. You might as well start putting your heals on them too.
You need me?
Another 14 will take them to 37. And if we drop an 8, that'll take them to 45. I think that's going to be good. So
You right.
yeah, you drop your second one of these. That'll take them to 45. And that's good. We can run with that.
Early to rise so we can be wealthy and
I'm
wise.
on it.
Healthy too.
Well, I got a surprise for you guys. And it's, whoa. Okay, I guess we're going to go around down here. It's kind of a surprise, but then again, it's also kind of a mistake. If I want to own up to it, but I think I will. We made an error when we did when we left Lonely Peaks, because there was a cave that we should have gone into. What are you? A carrion crawler. We can deal with that. What do I got? Weapons or
Spit it out.
I've got ranged. Good.
You right.
Yep. Take this thing out. Okay.
I'm on it.
Take this thing out.
Get over here.
And are you going in with your weapon? Yes, you are. For some reason, I don't know why.
Go off then.
Let's come all the way down to here. And, oh my gosh, we have a second one.
All will die.
Okay, now let's all run up here and deal with this one.
All will die.
And I guess we're going to go a little further up and perfect. Well, we didn't see, what's his name? Mad Arcand. But Mad Arcand has a quest for us on the ship here. I'm pretty sure this is the ship. Let's see, right there. And we're going to get us a ring. But this is a cursed ring, so we're not going to do anything with it except give it back to Mad Arcand when he asks for it. And now I'm kind of hoping that wasn't Mad Arcand. There he is. So here we go. There he is.
Who you are, no, not I.
Okay, I like you. Yes, I do. Wordle, 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 woo. And I know the way that makes you like me too. Wordle, wordle, wee, woo. Whatever. Down by the ocean, down by the sea, pirate ship waiting for you. Bring me what's in it, but don't ever wear it. Or sure enough, you'll get your wordle too. Okay, so here we go. Anyway, and we're going to talk to him again. And
Happy I am. Yes, I am.
what a beautiful ring. Where'd you get it? Most likely blah, 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 blah. Let's see what he gives us. Whoa, that was a lot of text. Well, let's see. We got us a oil of fiery burning, and we got 300 experience for that.
Spit it out. Sorted.
We'll take it. That was happy. I'm just going to clear this fog of war over here. Then we're going to go deal with some sirens down in the south. It's too bad the surgeon kind of got fried. And there's the Droth, the ogre mage that we took out. There are no more encounters up here unless they're random. Whoop, there we go. Talk about random encounters. Cha-ching.
The bell is calling for you. Get back here.
Perfect. Oh, there's another one.
All
Get
will
over
die.
here.
Perfect. Oh, 47 seems to be their lucky number. And another one.
Only what you deserve.
I guess we'll take it. Can we go around? Yes, we can. Whoa, what was that? We got us a spell.
And now what?
We'll take that.
You
What?
right. Go on then. Right, what's this then?
Right, what's this then? Do 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 do. And we're almost done. And come over here, clear that little bit. I don't know if this is just me being anal or if this is OCD, but for some reason I got to clear the fog of war. And I don't know. I think it's just me being me. Okay, where do we need to go next? Well, there's a little patch in the middle that we missed. So why don't we knock it out? Kind of like that. And then we're going to go down and see if we can deal with these sirens. Now, in a perfect world, we'll be able to deal with them one at a time. And why don't we start down here in this corner? And then we're going to work our way across. Oh, wait, stop. We got stuff here. I don't know where that stuff came from, but we'll take it.
Yes.
Awesome.
Spit it out.
Now, come back.
I'm on it.
Come down here. Huh, we missed that stuff before. I guess that's one good reason to keep this open down here so you can see what's going on. What do we got here? Another ghoul? All right, let's or is that a Tassoli? No, it's a ghoul.
All
For
will die.
justice.
Poof, poof. And he's down.
Yes.
Take that.
You right.
Yep, I sure did.
I'm on it.
Here we go. And let's see if we can do this. I'm just going to kind of creep in here. Creeping in. I mean, in a perfect world, I'd probably... And there... Oh, it's another ghoul.
Death will come swiftly over you.
Okay. Those are... It's interesting. They all got
Go
the
on,
same
then.
ring. Maybe if we
I'm on it.
come in from this direction. Up here. And then kind of come down like this. Uh-oh. Got somebody way in the back. Okay, let's try coming down from the north. See what that does for us. Up, and there's a wolf. And you know what? This guy might kite us into... Oh, that's perfect. We'll take that. There's another wolf. Man, that thing's coming fast.
Spit it out.
Okay, we'll...
I am here, so have no fear. You Unless you are evil for justice.
Uh-oh, here we go. I guess we angered the pack.
For justice.
Oh, come on. Take him down. Wow. That last one's kind of tough. But here we go.
Go on then.
Putting these guys back onto...
There's always more for a hero to do. I should make a list. Right, what's this then?
Oh. Uh-oh, is that as far as I could go? It sure looks like it. All right, let's go south. You know what? I don't think we ever cleared this area over here. Doggone it. And I don't know if there's a bridge going across or not. Somehow I don't think there is. And did we miss something down here? Oh, don't go over the hill. Nuts on a biscuit. Uh-oh, we got some thunder. So get ready for one of our characters to get zapped here. It's starting to get dark. And I guess we learned the hard way that okay, there's the first one. So we're going to go ahead and, man, in a perfect world, how do we do this? I guess we're just going to try to fry them. So let's get everybody.
You right.
Let's shoot at this thing. And you know what?
What could I do to help?
I probably should have put the buffs on these guys and given that a try. Anyway, here we go. Let's see what happens. And I think we're gonna keep unleashing on this person. So you're gonna do that again, right there.
For justice.
Oh, and you are gonna
What I do?
do your magic missile thing. I don't think I can stop that one. Okay, and I'm poisoned, of course. And I don't have an antidote?
It is I.
Okay. Okay, that's that. That went well. Here comes that charm spell. Gosh, I hope. Please don't let it affect us. I mean, in a perfect world, I'd be running away right now, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And I wonder if we engage these guys in hand, or these ladies in hand to hand. Oh, we can't say ladies anymore. He he he. Okay, let's one more time.
Spit it out.
One more time with this. Right there. Actually, let's target you this time. And you.
And now what?
Potion of healing. And let's find out where that charm is going. Poof. And gosh darn it, you got my wizard. Okay, now, is the wizard hostile? Yes, he is. So as soon as you know what, these two.
What concerns you?
Get out of
The
there.
hero is on the job.
Boom, you did that. Now you get out of there. Oops.
You right. Salted.
There we go. And we're just gonna. Oh no. Are you serious? Doggone it. What to do?
You need me?
I don't know if we're going to get to him in time.
Go off then.
We might not get to this guy in time.
All will die.
And of course, now my guy is, yeah, this ain't going to work well at all. We need to figure another way to deal with these guys. And did that other siren just go invisible?
Enthusiastically.
Come on, down that thing. Down it. Hit it. Oh, perfect. Now, let's get out of there.
What must I consider it done?
What are you? Oh, that's my character. So we're... oh my gosh, he's shooting the crossbow at us. Okay.
What can I do to help at once?
You can get out of crossbow range. There we go. Now,
it is I.
Back to healing until that spell wears off. Holy nuts. Was that crazy or what? Oh, man. And the spell wore off. Good. Now, what are the chances there are still more sirens down here?
Salted.
Man, that was crazy. Whoops. Okay, we need to... I guess everybody needs to get over here.
Enthusiastically.
Okay, here we go. Everybody.
Right.
Yeah, I rang. I sure did, man.
And now what?
You got that right.
What?
Pearl. Oop, inventory is full. All right, inventory management. Here we go. Cha-ching. 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 And this goes there. This goes there. Every ring goes there. Dude. Are these things stacking? 80? Yeah, the 2 can go here. The 80 can go here. Let's still whittle this one down a little bit. And this can go into there. And what kind of arrows do we have? These are just regular +2s. Okay, good to know. And these are +2 with a +d6 of fire. Good to know. Doggone it, I forgot we had this too. Shoot. What are you doing over here? You've only got 18 bullets left? That is not good. What is this? Knock. Nah, don't need it. Don't need no knock spell. Forgot about that wand of paralyzation too. And you could probably use a potion of healing. Let's take one out of there. I'll give you one. But we're not going to use it right now. I just want it there when we do need it. And I think that's about it. Let's get these potions put away. Another potion of healing. Give that to... should probably give it to you. There you go. And what else is going on? You have got a potion that we're going to give to the doc. Just one of these days, we're going to go through our potions and see exactly what we have. What do you got? And what do you got? Okay, we're good. Here we go. Everybody. And let's go back into Siren. Oh, wow, more of them.
Yes.
Year. And you start picking up some bows.
You right.
Yep.
Salted.
Here we go. And here we go again. So you're going to get that. You're going to get that. And you are going to get that.
Go off then. Salted.
Yeah, I think we got them. Good. Man, I'm glad that's over with. Holy nuts on a biscuit. Did that take its toll? Are you going to let us cross? Of course not, but are we going to get close enough? You know what? I'm happy with that reveal. I'm not going back. Let's get out of here. Nearest map edge is, holy crumbs, all the way over here. All right, here we go. We're going for a walk, guys. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. And here they come, just a walking over to the edge. Well, do we go to Baragost and rest, or do we go straight to the? Let's see, Lonely Peaks. Let's go to Lonely Peaks. And of course it's dark. Gosh darn it. All right, we'll deal with it. We will deal with it. But anyway, over here where that fire opal was found, oh my God, this is terrible. I hope this shows up better in the video. But over where this fire opal was found, there is a cave. And there is there we go. There's an Ettercap in this cave, but before we get to it, we need to disarm a trap.
Simple done than said.
So we're going in. He's going to detect traps, and he should be finding one. And there it is. So he's going to go ahead and do his little thieving thing here and
simpler done than said.
Do that. And did he get it? I don't know. Maybe he didn't. There we go. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now you, come on back outside. Get the party.
Spit it out.
Whole party goes in. You know what? I actually want to get them into a marching order going into this thing. And here we go. In we go. And there it is. I don't even want to waste my time shooting at this thing. I think I'm just going to go ahead and engage it.
Go on, then.
So here we go. Oh, wow. Why are you... Oh, he's out of bullets, I'll bet.
A simple task.
No, you got bullets, dude. What are you think? What are you...
What you deserve.
Okay, well, we got that thing down.
Spit it out.
Here we go.
I'm on it.
And there's some things. We'll take them. All right. That's what...
Right. Sorted.
All that just for that. That's what we forgot to do. Let's get out of here.
I'm on it.
Where's our edge? There it is. Okay, now let's go to Baragost. If it's dark, we sleep. If it's light, we go to the smithy. It's light.
Right, what's this then?
Let's go to the smithy. I think that Ankeg armor, I don't know how many days. It's either like 4 days or 10 days or 14 days. Something around those numbers. That
I can make whatever you wish for a wee little bit more than me competition.
Yeah, I believe you. Just going to go down here and see if that Ankeg is in this inventory anywhere. And doesn't look like it. No, doggone it. All right. Short bow, short bow, short bow. And you don't take any of those. Okay. What do you got to sell? You got a katana, couple two-handed swords, some bastard swords. Sell those. What are you selling? You don't really have... Well, you can get rid of that shield already. So sell that. And we got to identify these things. What do you got? You got some pearls here. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. And sell those. Do you got anything in here? Do you want to sell anything? Got two of those. Okay, and sell those. This guy, I don't think he buys spells. Maybe he buys some spells. Let's see. He doesn't buy any. Nope. Anyway, let's go back to close this thing. I'm going to go back up here and just see what we got. Are we at the top? No, we're not. All right. What do we want? I'm probably going to get... We got magic arrows. +2 arrows for 120. Okay. What is that? 6 points a piece or something like that? And other arrows we got +1s. I don't even think I want to deal with the +1s. The bolts. I should probably just buy all of them. Let's see how many that's going to be. 4. Okay, done for that. Okay, buy it. Regular bullet, don't need it. And you know what? I think we're pretty much done here. Maybe we'll just head on over arrows of ice, arrows of biting. Let's go to High Hedge. Let's go to High Hedge and deal with some stuff over there. So we're done here. Inventory control, those bolts. Let's add those to here and to there. And potions go to the doctor. Necklace goes to the thief. And might as well put it in there. You might as well put those into there. And let's, there's one more place we can go first.
Right, what's this then?
And that is to the Felda Post. And, oops, didn't want to do that. Let's just go.
Sorted.
Come on, we'll walk them over there. And right there to the open door. Cha-ching. Because this guy will buy the stuff that what's his name, Terum, over at the Smitty will not buy. And this guy just might have some magic stuff that we're interested in also. So here we go.
Sorted.
And of course we can always sleep and identify some items.
You want some whiskey?
Let's do this. Let's go ahead and do the this. And see, this guy's got +1 arrows too. Or +2 arrows. And he's got +1 bullets. So we could deal with that. +1 chainmail. Wonder if these are things we gave him. Eyes of the Truth? I don't know what that is. What are you? Infravision. Okay, that we don't need that. We don't need no infravision. Okay, here we go. Let's you. You're gonna get the whoops. Are you up all the way? Yeah, you are. Bullets. And we're just gonna, how many can we buy? 10? We'll take all 10 and buy them. And do you have anything to sell? Is there anything in here we're absolutely not going to use? And I forgot who, I think it's High Hedge. Okay, we don't need this anymore. So we can actually get rid of that. Potion of Power. Magic Blocking. That would have been good for the Sirens. Fiery Burning. Frost Giant. Free. One of these days we're going to go through and actually... Oil of Speed. I think that would be for the... what do you call it? Oh, see, this is not a potion of healing. So that's... Wow, that's interesting that I got 2 of those. And then another one... Or did we already... maybe we already sold them. Yeah, let's... I'm not gonna go there. Let's get rid of this stuff. Greenstone ring, sell them, done. Necklace. See, we've already given Joseph's greenstone ring back, so that's why I'm not too concerned about that. Is that it? Sell. Boom. No, here we go. We got other stuff. I'm going to do one of those. This. We're going to do all of those and all of those and sell those. And that's going to leave us one of these still in our container. We're done. Let's go ahead and get our room just to get that over with. So we're going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to get rid of all these. We're going to put a bunch of identifiers in. And now we are going to go back here. Get our room. What do you got? Peasant. Rent it. Okay. And actually, our next stop is going to be the Firewine Bridge. Oops. We just did that, didn't we? Okay, let's pause for a minute so we can do this.
And now what?
Does anybody else have any magic things that I missed? No magic. No. You got any magic? No magic. You got that. There's only 20 of those? That's not a lot. But you know what we're going to do? Let's do that. How many does that leave me? 1? Ah, nuts. That ain't going to work. You know what? Maybe we'll just tank him. I'm going to take these 80. Do you have any magic? No. Give it to you. Do this. Do that. Give those back to you. And there, now you got 19. Do you have any magic? No. No. Okay. Back to you. And let's start identifying stuff. What's this? To-do, spell. Gift a piece, a helm of defense. Okay. Saving throws are +1. Cold resistance, fire resistance, electrical resistance. Wow, there's a lot of resistance in this thing. Good to know. Good to know. Done. Who's going to benefit from that the most? Do you have a magic helm? No, you just got this thing. Cool. Well, that solved that question. +1 two-handed sword. Cha-ching. There she is. So if you're wielding a two-handed sword in this game, this is the first one you're going to want to get. Arrows. Identify, spell. These are just lousy little +1s. These are target must save versus death or lose 30% of the hit points in 20 seconds. Wow, that's pretty serious. So you're going to go there. You're going to go there. Let's do this. I guess you can carry that. This helm, I guess I'm going to put it up here on you. So, cha-ching. How's that look? Yeah, that looks pretty mean. And yeah, we'll give our cleric a nicer looking helm. There we go. And for this thing, I guess we'll carry it around with us. All right. Let's do this one more time. So we're going to unpause.
Go on, Fang.
Everybody is going to go here.
Right,
No,
what's this then?
not yet. Not
I gotta stop dipping into me own ale.
I almost blew it.
I do.
Almost blew it. And what do we want? Maybe one grease. Maybe just 2 sleeps. Trying to think of who we're going to encounter. You know what? Man, I don't know. I don't know. 3. And magic missiles. Always need magic missiles. I mean, those are going to be our spell disruptors. Let's see if there are... Oh, my God. Oh, excuse me. I got a fur ball. Let's see if there's anything else that we could... how are you doing? That looks good. And I think I really like those silence things here. And the poisons are really going to come in handy. What I need to do is I need to start using my my chants more often. And I want to keep that because there are ogre mages where we're going. And there are the minor globe of invulnerabilities.
I'm on it. Some nice looking waitresses, don't I?
Okay. He's definitely dipping into his own ale. And this should keep us going for a while. Okay, we're done here. Let's get out of here.
You right.
Is anybody
Right, what's
upstairs?
this then?
For some reason, I forgot how to open the...
Sorted.
Nope, nobody's in there. I forgot how to open the... Nobody. What do you call it? Bandit camp.
Right, what's this then?
Yeah, maybe we actually need to talk to some people over there or something. Okay, it's starting to get dark. Let's exit out here. Actually, do the expanding thing here. Are we going to go between the houses? Yes, good. Just going to clear this little patch right here on our way out. And here we go. Exit. I don't think our timer went off yet. Okay. High hedge. Let's go deal with, man, it's dark. Okay, where's our entrance there? Oh, wow, we're going to walk. We are going to walk some way here. So,
Right, what's this then?
let's see how many things we encounter on the way down. I mean, in a perfect world, and there it is, enemy sighted, of course. And this really sucks because I think I don't want these guys attacking him because they're going to waste these magic things on him. So we're going to do that. You're going to do that.
Spit it out. You right.
Yeah, let's... Didn't want to have to do this. Yeah, high hedge is not a place to come to when you're in the dark.
Oh, no.
Nuts.
Death will come swiftly for you.
Okay, and I already know there's nothing of value here, so let's
Right, what's this then?
let's keep going. I don't know why we had to walk around this castle. Why couldn't we have just come up from the right-hand side?
I'm on it.
No, everybody in. You don't want to walk around this thing because otherwise you got... There's our... Gosh darn it, I knew that thing was going to go off. All right, let's deal with this guy first. And we're going to talk to him. So, cha-ching. Fallon.
Why do I live in such a pissant town?
We're interested in buying and selling stuff. What do you got? And I want to see, did he ever get those potions from us? Do 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 do. There they are, red potion, violet potion. Those are them. Okay, do I have anything I can sell? No. Do you have anything to sell? You can sell that, and you might as well give him the helmet too. So sell those. Cha-ching. Anything in here? And you know what? There probably is stuff in here like that. And what do we know is cursed? This. Holy consume. Oddly murky potion. Yeah, and there's no such thing as 9 hit points of damage. So, 2 of those. And did we lose the one up here? No, we didn't. Anything else here that just looks... This one doesn't look cool either. But let's sell those. And is this thing a murky one? Potion will grant ability to see infrared. We don't need infrared. We're not going to use that. Sell it. Okay. You. What do you got? You got a bunch of stuff here. Are you going to give me 50 for anything? I don't know. Do we take the 40 and just run? Maybe we should just take the 40 and run with it. All right, we'll do it. So, all of those done. Magic missile, sell it. Grease, sell both of those. And friends, I want to copy that one into my book. Resist fear. I'm going to keep that only because I want to see if I could cast that on one of my people that are running around stupid like. You're going to get sold. Identify is going to get sold. And knock. I'm not going to ever use a knock spell. I don't think. Maybe save it. Sell this. Boom. Okay. Now, let's buy some stuff. Let's see what we got. Let's go back to the top here. Oops. And we got darts. We got all kinds of arrows, bolts of lightning. I'm going to have fun with those later. You are going to get... There's only 5 of them. Well, let's do this. Let's do 20. Buy those. And then arrows. Did we already get to... Okay, these are all spells. What do you got for arrows? I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm good with arrows, but just to make sure. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Bolts. Ooh, where did that come from? Where did that come from? Was it like a bonus that he gave us? 80. Okay. You know what? Done. Let's do inventory check real fast here. And I'm good with bolts. Here, we're going to go ahead and add, let's add those to that. And you know what? I'm just going to put those up there.
Go on, then.
We're going to buy more.
Sorting.
Whoops.
Why do I live in such a pissant town?
You are going to get $20 more of those and buy them. You are going to get, I'm just going to buy all 60 of those. Boom, done. Buy it. And I think we're good now. Done. Here we go. Inventory check. You're good. Let's do this. You're good. You are. Boof. Boof. And boof. Perfect. And you are good with that. And none of these are duplicated. So we'll run with this for now. And yeah, we'll just run with that for now. Let's get out of here.
Spit it out.
Okay, we're
I'm
out.
on it.
We're out of here. Okay, next stop, Firewine Bridge. Let's see if we can get out of here without any incidents.
I'm on it.
And then that'll be a good place to wrap up this episode. Firewine is going to be interesting. We got a couple ogre mages that we got to deal with over there. Of course, you know what? We're not even going to deal with you. We're going to avoid you like the plague that you are. Boom. And Firewine right there. Cha-ching. Travel. Perfect. Pause. And it is daylight, which is a good thing for us. Well, guys, if you like this adventure, please give me a like. If you didn't like it, give me a sympathy like anyway. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you do subscribe, please tell 10 people about it. If you don't know 10 people, tell 5 people twice. With that said, I am Grumpy Gnome. We'll see you in the next episode. We're out of here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take care. Bye-bye.